Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super simple step-by-step tutorial on how to edit text in Figma. Whether you're brand new to Figma or just looking for a quick refresher, you'll have all the knowledge you need to make your text really pop by the end of this video. We're talking about changing fonts, sizes, colors, and even adding some effects, so let's dive right in and get creative. Alright, first things first, let's open up Figma. If you already have it open, awesome. If not, just head over to Figma.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, either open up your existing project or start a new file if you just want to practice along with me. Getting comfortable with the workspace layout here makes everything a breeze, so take a second if you need to get familiar with where things are. Now, to actually add some text, look over to the toolbar on the left and grab the text tool. It looks like a little T. Just click anywhere on your canvas and start typing what you'd like. For this example, I'm just going to write "Hello Figma," but feel free to use whatever text you want. Here, where the fun begins. Let's make this text nice and bold by changing its font size. With your text still selected, look up at the Properties panel at the top and find the field for font size. I'm going to type in 70, that's a big bold number, so you'll see your text really stand out. If it looks a little too large or too small for your canvas, don't worry, just adjust it up or down until it feels right for what you're working on. Next, let's play around with color. This is where you can start to show off your own style. With your text still selected, find the Color Picker tool in the right panel. Click on it and choose a bright, bold red. If you don't see the exact shade you want, you can always enter a hex code, but any strong red will do for now. Changing the color instantly brings new energy to your design, and it's one of the quickest ways to grab attention or match a theme. Now let's switch up the font. Fonts have a huge impact on the feel of your text. They can make your message feel fun, playful, professional, or anything in between. In the font drop-down menu at the top, look for the font called Super Shiny. If you don't see it installed yet, you might need to add it, or you can just pick one with a similar bold, standout vibe. Select it and notice how the personality of your text changes in just an instant. This is one of my favorite parts of design, seeing how fonts can completely transform your project. To make things even cooler, we'll add a stroke around our text, which gives it a nice outline look. With your text selected, find the stroke option in the right panel. Click the plus icon and set the width to 10. This will make your text outline thick and visible. If you want, you can play with the color of the outline, but for now we'll just stick with the default. Alright, let's push it even further with an effect. We're going to add a drop shadow. In the right sidebar, scroll down until you see Effects. Click the plus and select Drop Shadow from the menu, here, where we dial in the details to make it look just right. Set the X value to 25, which will move the shadow to the right. Set Y to 20 to move it down. For blur, put 5. This will softly spread out the shadow so it looks realistic and not too harsh. Finally, for the color, click and set the opacity to 50%. This makes the shadow feel natural and not overpowering. Don't worry if it takes a second to get these numbers in. Take your time and adjust them until you like what you see. Drop shadows are a subtle but powerful way to make your text look like it's floating just above the background, kind of like a signboard on a sunny day. One extra tip for you, Figma lets you add as many layers as you need. You can stack multiple text boxes, shapes, or images on top of each other. This is super helpful if you want to create more complex designs or group certain elements together for future edits. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and fully customize text in Figma. Font, size, color, outline, and a nice drop shadow, all wrapped up with the ability to create layered designs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop a comment below. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help out. Make sure to subscribe for more easy, actionable design tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.